Hello, my name is Khadija Nasser, and I'm here to show you how to use your Radon Test Kit. If you're not familiar with radon, it is an odorless, tasteless, and colorless gas that is the second leading cause of lung cancer. The first step in combating radon is to determine whether your home is at risk, which can be done by obtaining a test kit provided by UGA Extension. For this demo, I will be using a short-term radon test kit. To begin, make sure all exterior doors and windows have been closed at least 12 hours prior to testing, except for normal exit and entry, and also run your AC or heat as you normally do. Insert a piece of cardboard into the opening of the test kit. This cardboard helps to keep your test kit open. Hang the test kit 2 to 6 feet from the floor in the lowest part of your home that is used on a daily basis, such as bedroom or a living room. Do not hang a test kit in the bathroom, kitchen, or garage. Leave the test kit undisturbed for a minimum of 3 days and a maximum of 7 days. After you're done testing, discard the cardboard and remove the white strip to seal the test kit envelope. After you have sealed the envelope, print your name and address clearly on the back. Before you mail the test kit, you need to write down 4 important numbers on the back: starting date, starting time, ending date, and ending time. These 4 numbers are essential for laboratory to analyze your test kit. Mail the test kit immediately for analysis. You should receive results within 7 to 10 days. Thank you from UGA Extension, and don't forget to test, fix, and save a life.